And the rough, sharp cookie shows alertness at the start. Moving up is Dragon King, Lady Diamond. Then comes Lever Action on the outside. Sophia's Fury comes next, followed by Mr. Godfather running by the Real Excellent. Tebaxi and Living for Love is the early trailer as they round a 3/4 mile distance. Dragon King in command, followed now by Lever Action in second, down in third, Sharp Cookie. Lady Diamond is down in fourth, then followed by Sophia's Fury. Mr. Godfather in between runners, Real Excellent, Tebaxi, and Living for Love is still running at the tail of the field. Past the half mile, we have Dragon King by about 3/4 of a length lead. Pressing up Nawari outside is Lever Action. Then comes Lady Diamond running by the Real Sharp Cookie. Sophia's Beauty remains in peep running on the outside. Real Excellent. Mr. Godfather, Tebaxian, Living for Love is still running at the tail of the field as they turn for home. Now we have Lever Action takes the lead by about 2. Dragon King drops back in second and moving up on the outside is Sharp Cookie, Lady Diamond, Sophia's Beauties by the rail with the last 100 meters more to run. Lever Action moving up on the outside, Sharp Cookie giving the final burst of energy, moves up and finally Sharp Cookie, Lever Action, Real Excellent, close between number 10 Living for Love and Dragon King for your Pentapecta.